show you is Cranium Classroom. So if you choose to use Cranium Classroom, this tool is already integrated into the Canvas or Canvas LMS. And so to activate Cranium Classroom, I access my course, click on Settings, and I'm going to choose from my button options here to activate Cranium Classroom. I simply find it in the list below, drag it to where I want it to be in the course navigation menu, and now students have access to Cranium Classroom, which is Cranium Cafe or Cranium Classroom, simply by clicking on this link. But maybe you've decided that's not the tool for you. So I'm going to remove Cranium Classroom from my navigation menu, and I'm going to share how you can create a redirect button for your students so that they can access the tool through your navigation menu. The tool I'm going to share with you is WebEx. You could do the same thing if you had a consistent Google Hangouts URL as well. So go ahead and open a new browser, and you want to access WebEx. So I'm going to go to mesacc.webex.com. I need to click the blue button to sign in here. Use my first name, last name at mesacc.edu. And here, this is going to take me to my personal room. And what I want to do is share the link to my personal room with students. This is my classroom, nobody else's. So when I send students to class, I'm going to send them the same URL all the time. So I'm going to highlight and copy this URL. And now I'm going to go back to Canvas, and I'm going to create a button, a redirect button, to send students to my virtual classroom. So to do this, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click on Settings. And over here, I'm going to click at the top of the page, you have tabs, and I'm going to select Apps. And then you can filter by name and look for Redirect. And this is the icon. It's a blue redirect arrow icon. So you want to select that redirect tool and click on the Add App button. And I'm going to say Virtual Classroom. And I'm going to copy that URL. And because this is an external link, it needs to open in a new tab, and I want it to show in my course navigation. So I'm going to check that box and select Add App. To have the button appear in your navigation menu, I'm going to select Course Navigation, and you may need to refresh the page. And now you can see Virtual Classroom is an option in my navigation menu. It's really important to me that students meet me for class in the virtual classroom. So I'm going to drag that up in my navigation menu, scroll to the bottom, and click Save. And now, perhaps I've posted an announcement to tell students to meet me for class every Monday and Wednesday at 10 a.m. And to meet me, they'll click on Virtual Classroom. They'll open it in a new tab, and it will take students to my personal classroom space, which ultimately is a WebEx meeting. And the only thing that you want to ensure is that you're the first one in the meeting so that students have access to that meeting space. That's it.